Let's continue our third part. Now, what do you mean by federal state? Federal state means we have the central government and the state government. Every state is having its own chief minister. So, there is a distribution of subjects on which the central or the state governments can frame laws. There are three such lists: union list, state list, and concurrent list. Laws framed by the central government are applicable to the entire nation. Whatever the central government decides, it is applicable to the whole nation. Fundamental rights. The last topic of our lesson is fundamental rights. What are fundamental rights? Fundamental rights of citizens guarantee that the residents of the land can lead a peaceful life as long as they inhabit the country. When we are staying in our country, we can, as long as stay in one country, we can have a peaceful life. And what are the rights? We have the right of equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies. Right to equality means we do not discriminate among the religion, and also we do not discriminate whether it is male or female. Right to freedom, we can go to any part of our country and we are not restricted to go to any part of our country. Right against exploitation means if somebody is exploiting, as we can go to the court. Right to freedom of religion, we can follow any religion. Cultural and educational rights, we can follow any culture. We have the right to study. Right to constitutional remedies, if you feel that the constitution which is not appropriate for the current time, we have the right to go and get a remedy for it. So, these are the different rights which we enjoy staying in our own country. Right to constitutional remedies is also known as right to constitutional remedies for a civil rights. With this, I would like to conclude this chapter. I hope you understand this chapter.